it was a car from the junkyard.
Sold for $500. So this is how she looks right now. Kyle just put on the intake. I'm gonna show you the mods we have on right now, and then I'm gonna stand up the camera right there, and I'm gonna tell you the list of the mods that are in this car that I kind of can't really show you right now. This is the Honda tuner right here. I'm probably thinking about putting it like right here, you feel me? Or like, I don't know, I want to put it somewhere where it's just like I can turn it on or whatever if I need to use it. Type S steering wheel. I'm actually surprised I don't have the paddle shifters on this one. Damn, there's no paddle shifters. That's crazy, y'all. Anyways, yeah, stick right there. It's got Type S headrest. It's got a full exhaust from Comtech. And then I'm gonna stand up the camera, and then I'm basically gonna tell you what I got in the car. I just need a phone to show you guys. So, there's the lightweight pulley right there. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. And then block off valve. But yeah, let me set up the camera, and then I'll tell you guys what we have in the TL right now. Okay, so currently I have the list right here. So the car has a Type S transmission in it, supposedly. The Brembo brakes, which came basically stock on the car. And then the motor was swapped to a J37 A4. He said he paid $3,500 for it. And then it's got a P2R intake Gylofold spacer. I don't know what that is.
Say again?
P2R intake Gylofold.
It's that thing you were picking up before.
Oh, okay. So it's the spacer, I guess, in between the manifold. It's got P2R PCD pre-cat deletes. So it's basically catted, decatted.
Yeah, it's full straight pipe.
Yeah, so it's basically the straight piped. Hybrid racing mounts, freshly rebuilt gearbox, OEM except fluid, which is liquid moly. It's on I don't know what, it says Flash Pro. And then it's also base map by DJ Auto Tuning, custom transmission mounts, EGR block off plate by Hofferland. And then he said he recently did the timing water pump and all pulleys, and then exteriors function and form coils type 1, which I don't know what that means. Have rear arms set, never put them on. I don't know. And then he said he put 6.5-inch speakers in the doors, Type S headlights, custom 3-inch exhaust, not loud, raspy with even resonators, mufflers. At idle, you won't even hear the car unless you pay attention. Okay. And I think that's basically the whole mod list to the car. I mean, it's got a cracked dash like all the other TLs. That's Kyle's phone. I just needed his phone for the mod list. But yeah, that's basically what's in the TL. I have a couple other things I want to throw in it. We're keeping the coils on because we ran into the issue with me and Kyle. Fucking, what happened?
The aftermarket ones he got, the lower part of the coilover was thinner than OEM, and he hit that bitch with an impact, and it crushed the wings that hold it in, so we can't fit the teens in.
So that's why we can't get the teens on. So we're probably just gonna do the teens on his car. I'll do an install on his vehicle when we throw it on, before and after and shit. And then yeah, then I'm gonna get rid of the black car right there. All reliable. She's looking beautiful though, I can't even lie. Oh yeah, right now this man's put it on the Brembo brake. No, you just gotta bleed them after. Yeah, I will get the A-spec lip eventually. I think the A-spec lip is kind of hard to find. Or actually, no. Okay, I'm sorry. The A-spec lip is not hard to find. It's just there's motherfuckers out there that, you know, they'll sell the front A-spec lip for like $400, and it's like, brother, what are you doing? But I mean, that's just all TL owners. I mean, we just all think our parts are just I guess special. Meanwhile, I'm like the only TL owner out here that actually sells the parts for like mad cheap. Meanwhile, if I want to go find a front bumper, somebody's selling it for $200. Like, get the fuck out of here. All you fucking TL owners, you need to fucking stop that dumb shit. Like, you guys are making it worse for like the people that want to get into like the Acura TLs. So yeah, if you're like overpricing for your parts on your TL, fuck you. Eat a dick. I'm like hooked up, but nothing's really working. Huh? Starter fluid. I don't think we need starter fluid.
You want to just swap the battery?
I guess. Kyle wants to swap the batteries. I mean, no way, I guess. Whatever. Alright, going for the first start. She's got a little stuff in her. She doesn't have
Yeah, we need like starter too.
Get all this mess out of the way for you guys. I'm not gonna lie, it smells like a go-kart right now. Like, do you guys know the smell of like boomers? That's literally what it smells like right now. That's literally all I'm smelling. It smells like a boomer's car right now. That's hilarious. I got pops, you guys. First startup is successful. Right?
That's loud. No rev limiter?
Yeah. It hits all the way to the.
Nutty, dog.
That
You're
bitch
on
is
some fun.
stupid loud.
Oh yeah.
It was not screaming like this in the junkyard.
Yeah, because it had a major intake leak with the thing I fixed.
That's fucking so. Oh, that's sick.
So I swear, you guys, we can't make this shit up. After a good day of getting the 6-speed running, we run into the flat problem, the flat tire problem now on this car. So, I think I got something scratching my neck. Anyways, got a flat tire. It's not good. Lucky Kyle has these tires. They're kind of not good, but I mean they will do for us to get tires maybe tomorrow or the day after that. Low key I might tell him to give me this one, because this one's a little better than all of them. All right, so yeah, we're gonna run her with one stock wheel. Bro, this shit, I swear to God, you can't make this shit up, you guys. I swear, I can't make this shit up. Yeah, don't mind the duct tape. I haven't self-tapped the bumper yet. I might just tell the next owner to self-tap it. He says he doesn't care about the imperfections of the car. He said he's gonna fix it and get her nice and looking good, so. Bon voyage, baby girl. Soon, soon, soon. And then I'm gonna probably put these on the 6-speed, just so. I'm gonna sand these down, paint them the same color as the 6-speed, so we have mirrors, and then Type S trunk trim on the 6-speed.
Bro, where's the thing you
Yeah.
take the wheel at?
We got the spare tire on, but I'm gonna end off the night here, just because, what's it called? We need to do some shit tonight or tomorrow. So you can tell I'm tired. So I still always love these wheels. I can't even lie. Like with like when it's lowered. All right, so I'm doing a little bit of a paint modification right now by Chino Hamilton's Customs. Anyways, she's looking good, you guys. I'm not trying to get any of the sensors. I'm just trying to get the manifold. Well, I think that looks good right there. Look at that. Look at that bit. I think that looks good right there. And then this one right here. This one right here, buddy. This one right here. Get a nice little respray too. We do everything here at Custom. At Chino Hamilton's Customs. Super neat. There's a water gauge on here. See me? Oh. I hope I can cover the white. No, right there. That right there to a blind son of a bitch. That looks good. And I'm a blind son of a bitch. And the finishing touches here. Here for the little TL for the owner. He wants, you know, he wants it to look like a race car, so I want to help him out with that, you feel me? Boom. Just like that, Chino Hamilton's Customs. She's looking good. I'm gonna let him know when he keeps doing mods to let it go down this way. And then I'll probably take off this BC Racing coilover for him. But for now, we'll just leave it on. Right now, the scar on the teen one looks pretty good. Well, yeah, she get in there, y'all. I'm probably gonna put these wheels on this car so he can get this car blacked out. I just had a voice crack, sorry about that. I just painted the manifold so like it looks a little cleaner. Here you go, Chino Hamilton's Customs. We do all the custom work. The bars, it looks good. It looks good. These, because the liquid moly is what I use for all like motor like stuff, and then stable basically the same thing too. Basically the both top brands I like to use on. Guys, I made it to a gas station. I'm basically gonna end off the video here with the police officer in the background, you feel me? But anyways, the intake actually doesn't look bad. It looks kind of like a little brand new. That's kind of what I wanted. So, I mean, kind of got what I wanted-ish. So, the problem, this is kind of broken. So, that's kind of annoying, but I can't really do anything about that. So, we'll just leave that. Oh, shit. But, like, I also painted this down here. And, like, honestly, it didn't come out that bad. I kind of like it better than the, the plain old just white. So, if he wants to change this a different color, he can. But, I wasn't going to leave it just white. I just wanted to paint it. I don't have black spray paint. If not, I would have painted the car. But, it's fine. I just noticed this right here. I did not notice it. I just noticed this. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go get gas. Oh, the door's locked. Okay, but yeah, put the sticker in the back. Looks nice. It looks nice. But yeah, you guys have a good night. Peace out. Remember, God loves you. I'm gonna go get gas, and I'm ending off the night so I can edit this video and probably make it come out probably around 5 o'clock p.m. So yeah, peace out. Have a good night.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.